Yo, hello guys, Crypto Yalla is here, how are you doing? So, in this video, in today's update of crypto market, we'll take a look what happened yesterday. And yesterday I made a video where I literally nailed this dump. Well, we cannot say it's a dump, but it could be a start of the dump. So we will talk about this later in the video. And let's see how I nailed this move. Let's go and take a look on the hourly time frame of Bitcoin, and let's see what was on yesterday's video. Go on YouTube, find previous video and just review, or we can review one short episode that I posted today on my Twitter account. So let's take a look on my Twitter. Yeah, it's me. So go and subscribe, go follow. And I posted today literally this. I literally nailed this Bitcoin dump in my yesterday's crypto market update. Go watch the full Bitcoin analysis, the link is above. Why we got a BTC correction, why crypto liquidations were expected, what will Fed say tomorrow. It's a mistake, not tomorrow. I was mentioned about Wednesday and more. So let's quickly. I will just put the music on pause and let's quickly review what was said yesterday. So that tells me that you can go short from here, and if we broke above this level, about 95,700, it's a sign to close that short, or you can catch the liquidations of these guys, and with a risk reward ratio of almost 3. That's more than a good risk reward ratio. So I think it's pretty clear for you. So go check the previous video, yesterday's video basically. And I was making the analysis of this situation where we had this liquidations pocket below us. We were sitting here. Yes, on the support you see this green beautiful line, but that's why you have to understand the order flow. You have to understand the whole situation in the market. You have to take into consideration all the pieces of the puzzle that's called market, and only then, not blindly saying that okay, we sit on the support, so we are good. So you have to take into consideration all the picture. Okay, as you can see, we got this mini dump, I can say. We got this liquidations. It was pretty fast. That's why I entered here before we entered this area, because when you have this liquidations pocket, usually it's very hard to get in when the price is already in the zone. It moves really fast, and sometimes you can get swing failure pattern, and you can just short the literal bottom. So for me it was better to get in here, take a small loss if we reverse from here, or enjoy the ride pretty short and pretty quick and pretty profitable. So I re-entered the short position today, closed already at 93.9k, because the market just stopped the dump. But anyway, I'm pretty sure we will continue the move below. as you can see below us, there is a liquidation, another liquidation pocket here from 92.2k to 93.5k. So yeah, below us there is a cluster, but I have to say that above us there is even bigger cluster of liquidation pocket. So if we manage to get here close to the start of 95k and above, it could trigger another liquidations, but to the upside. So be aware of this. If you are trying to short here, be aware of this, that below 95 it's pretty safe, but in my opinion, it's not financial advice or whatsoever. Starting from 95k, it's pretty dangerous zone, and the ride to the upside could be very fast. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say about the Bitcoin price action for today. As I said earlier, let's take a look again on our weekly candles, and let's take a look again on our higher time frame chart, because if you understand, if you see the bigger picture, so it's easier to analyze and easier to manage your trades on the lower time frames. So as I said earlier, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks earlier, yeah, as I was saying that we were sitting at resistance, at high time frame resistance. It's basically weekly resistance. You can see it here. That's why we printed the last week was had a pretty bearish close. It's a shooting star, so I will not be very surprised if we see here some consolidation for 1-2 weeks, or even we could see a small correction especially if macro picture also gets too bearish, and also get the correction on the S&P and Nasdaq. So yeah, be aware of this. But this correction, not anything emergency, not anything. It could be a normal correction, because I wanted to remind you that we have had 4 weeks of up only. It's basically 31.5%. So it's okay to have some pullback to clean some late longs, and to clean leveraged traders and reload. So it's a good opportunity to reload here if we get this correction, in my opinion. Okay, let's take a look also on S&P, and I will be finishing. So S&P had today a red day, but not very bearish. It was like a more neutral day. So we will see what will tomorrow brings us. But the major event, I remind you, is on Wednesday, when our lovely Jerome Powell will take the stand and will speak and will tell us what is his vision on the macro and what to expect. So I'm not expecting tomorrow major moves, unless Trump or somebody from his team will go to the public and say something hilarious. So if we have the Fed meeting on Tuesday, or sorry, not Tuesday, on Wednesday. So on Tuesday, don't expect too much move, in my opinion, on either side, because traders will not be eager to take a directional position. Okay, that's all for me for now. Go subscribe, like this video if you liked, and leave a comment, say something, and ask for a coin. Which coin would you like me to take a TA on? So we will go and review it in the next video. See you. Cheers. Bye.